Adding one to the fleet. Good news, I found my machete. Now, let's take on some things. Because we've been moving into our new abode from a rental property, the videos have been a little bit more sporadic than I would like. It's just one of those things where you're moving and you're packing and you're loading and all that, and moving sucks anyway, and then to take time for anything else is quite frankly a challenge. So anyway, so that's the rationale behind that. I appreciate the likes, shares, subscribes, and all the all that. If you like the channel, support it by sharing it, liking it, liking the videos. That really does a lot to help me out and motivates me to help bring you even more content on what we got going on right here on Burger Acres. Well, I'm on my way to go get some lunch, so we'll see you on the next one.